ITRBoxing. You heard it here first. Pretty cool videos. And I heard they're also in HD. ITRBoxing.com.
Actually, getting all these people out was really good. I wasn't prepared for this many people to show up, but I knew that Lukey showed up, my coach showed up. That's all I really needed to show up. But I'm glad, I'm thankful for everybody else who showed up. So it surprised me a little bit. It still worked. I was showing my talents and stuff. I didn't get too fancy. I was just showing people that I'm ready. This is really what I want to do, and this is my passion. It's actually very motivating. Like I said, I wasn't expecting all these people to show up. So just the feeling, this is my first time feeling, everybody around me. So that in the future, when I'm getting ready for media day and all that, I know what to expect. I know how to feel and stuff. So it was great. It was a great feeling.
Yeah, Lukey, thank you for for everything, for coming here. It was a good show out. We generated some money, to get over to Louisiana for the Nationals. Lorenzo's ready. You just got to go there and be Lorenzo and be himself and win one fight at a time. We're ready. Just put in the work. We got 2 more sparring sessions with Gabriel next week. Gabriel Flores. Want to thank them. Thank Gabe Senior and Junior for the work, for the rounds, for getting Lorenzo more than ready. And coming off that sparring, he should be over there, running through these boys. So that's what we're ready. Ready to go and take off next week and go handle our business.
Yes, sir. Getting ready for a big tournament is you got to work hard. You can never cut corners. You can never cheat. We put in the work in the gym, out the gym. I eat right. So everything I got to do, I get it done. I'm always working. I'm always listening to coach. Always willing to get better. I don't just work on the stuff I'm good at. I work on my weaknesses, all that. So getting ready for a big tournament, you can't cut corners. You got to be willing to work.
It gave Lorenzo a lot of confidence. A lot of his family, friends, people showed up. They were watching him. They were wowed by him in there doing mitt work, shadow boxing, hitting the speed bag, doing his workout, doing his thing. And you could tell, as more people came, his confidence went up. And I think it's a little booster before nationals. And it was good for him. I think it made him feel real good inside, and show that people support him.
I think the most memorable thing was just everybody that showed up. Like I said, I want to thank everybody that showed up. I wasn't expecting everybody to show up. So showing that I have that much support just made my confidence go through the roof. I want to thank everybody. Thank my coach. Thank Lil G Senior for the sparring, for the work. And just like I said, everybody for supporting me. I want to thank my family, my friends, everybody, my coach, like I said, Lil G, everybody that helped me, and just like I said, just like an obstacle, everybody that helped me trying to get there. So I appreciate it. Yeah, I felt like, cause like I said, boxing is a journey. So it's like every step of the way. I tell coach all the time. Coach tells me all the time, "Oh, we haven't did nothing yet. Yeah, we won the nationals and stuff, but there's many more ways to come." So I feel like this is just another step in my journey that I completed. It's like another course, another obstacle. Bring back that belt. That's what y'all can expect. I'm bringing the belt back.